My grandson dead. Oh God, me can't take it no more. They kill my grandson for no reason at all, and his father
want justice. Justice to what?
A resident of retirement community in St. James up in arms about the deadly shooting incident in the area early Wednesday morning. Among the 4 persons killed by the police is a 57-year-old man and his son. Both are from the community. The other 2 deceased males are from addresses in Kingston and the neighboring Green Pond area in St. James. TVJ News understands they all worked on the landfill. The police were reportedly carrying out an operation when the shooting occurred. This elderly resident says her grandson is among the deceased.
My grandson said, I don't know nothing. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
they shouldn't kill him. They shouldn't kill him. This man in there come up on me yard, come knock down my door. And hoping me win and tell me bad word for lock back door and go in. When me lock back door and go in, now it's just nobody come about me. You don't get so boy. When me look next go tell me say my grandson dead. My grandson dead. Oh God, me can't take it no more. They kill my grandson for no reason at all, and his father one time. Oh God Almighty.
The police say 2 illegal firearms were recovered from the scene. But residents insist they did not belong to the deceased men because they were not criminals.
Where the man about us, so they have no gun, they're innocent. And they still kill the man them. They take one of the man, TJ father, they take him, can go down the road and carry him up back. And then they go say, he man run off, and when he run off, they shoot the man, kill him. He was in a shootout.
This latest incident brings the number of fatal shootings recorded across Jamaica within the last 24 hours to 11.